Hi, I'm Billy Joe Serquinia. I'd like to present to you about National Service Training Program, which is NSTP. The National Service Training Program, or NSTP, was established in 2002, amending Republic Act No. 7077 and Presidential Decree No. 1706, despite calls for reform from dissenting sectors. So what is NSTP? The program aims to enhance youth's well-being, defense preparedness, and service ethics through training in three components, promoting active participation in general welfare. Here are the three different components. First one is ROTC, or Reserve Officers Training Corps. It's a program established under Republic Act No. 7077 to provide military training to tertiary students for national defense preparedness. Second one is LTS, or Literacy Training Service. It's a program aimed at preparing students to teach literacy and numeracy skills to school children, out-of-school youth, and other societal segments. And lastly is the CWTS, Civic Welfare Training Service. Offers programs and activities aimed at improving community welfare, including health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and citizen morals. So why is NSTP important to us? The NSTP law encourages youth to become civic and military leaders and volunteers, enhancing civic consciousness and defense preparedness. It develops ethics of service and patriotism through training in program components. CWTS. Students can actively participate in sustainable development initiatives such as recycling and waste management programs by advocating for environmental conservation and raising climate change awareness. So these are the importance of CWTS. In our community, students can enhance community cleanliness and aesthetics by participating in community cleanup drives, fostering a sense of pride and responsibility among community members. And the other one importance of CWTS is in our government. CWTS, students can participate in community outreach programs, collaborating with local organizations and government agencies to provide assistance to marginalized individuals such as literacy, feeding, and medical missions. So basically, CWTS students can significantly contribute to their community by participating in service-oriented activities, fostering a stronger, more vibrant, and inclusive environment. I hope you have learned something about our topic. Thank you and have a nice day.